Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about the RC simple beam share, moment and deflection using the Excel. So for those new, please subscribe, like, share and click the notification bell so that you will be notified once there's a new upload video. And without further ado, let's continue to our discussion. Okay, previously diniscuss natin yung RHCECI beam ito yan RC beam doubly designed and singly. Today, i-discuss natin yung simple beam or the simply supported beam and using the Excel application. And for the next video, para naman sa fixed beam. Okay, so kailangan natin i-input yung mga data. So nandiyan na yan yung B or the width of the concrete, the D or the depth of the concrete, and the L is the length of the concrete or length of the beam. Then X, so ito yung X na yan is correspond kung anong gusto ninyo kunin yung shear, moment and deflection corresponding to its distance X. Then yung WSD, this is the line load or the uniformly load or uniform load, superimposed load in kilonewton per meter, as well as the WL in kilonewton per meter din yan, that is the live load. Then the F prime C, this is the compressive strength of a concrete. Commonly this 3000 PSI, ito yung gagamitin natin. So 20.7 in megapascal, while yung unit weight ng normal concrete is around 23.56 kilonewton per cubic meter. Okay, then sa load combo, actually pwede natin yan yung correspond lang na na combo, pero nilagay ko na lang yung, as you can see in this table, ito yung kukunin natin. So nilagay ko to corresponding to its specific combination, load combination and its loading. So automatically ma-solve yan. Okay, then as you can see in load combo, may icon niya na drop icon. Okay, so once i-click ko yan, so although hindi niyo nakikita dyan sa screen, pero sa Excel mayroon yan. So base yan dito. Okay, yung formula natin dyan or yung comment dito or command, actually hindi command yan, parang nilink yan using the data ng Excel, one of the function of Excel. And of course, this is for concrete. As you can see, may formula tayo as per the code, 4,700 times the square root of the F prime C. Then the moment of inertia, this is for the rectangular, BH cube over 12 or B D cube over 12. Then the weight of the concrete, makukuha natin yung weight of concrete simply, ano siya? Okay, and linear meter, so is times natin yung section ng beam natin. Okay, then the total weight, this correspond to the load combo. Once may change natin yung load combo, automatically may change yung total weight natin. So yung function na ginamit natin is VLOOKUP. So binilookup natin yung load combo, then as you can see the table array, so ito yon, tapos yung column, kung anong column. So based dito sa table array, so 1, 2, so 2 dapat 2 dapat, tapos false, dapat exact value yung makukuha niya, kaya false yung ilagay natin. Then okay, then as you can see in the result, may shear tayo, may moment tayo, then deflection. So then may X tayo corresponding to the X value na hanapin natin. Okay, then of course its maximum value para hindi na tayo mahirapan. Then sa comment natin, yung deflection is based yan sa code na L over 360. So multiply 1,000 para maging millimeter. Then as you can see, safe yung structure natin. Pero kapag i-change natin yan, sabihin natin 400. So, base dito sa L over 300 is not safe siya. Base yan dito sa service load. So, by the way, as per code, service load yung gagamitin natin na combination upon checking the deflection. Okay, so pero kapag i-choose natin to, yon, mag-iiba siya. Okay, so pero ito lang yung check natin. Did not save, so we need to increase the section of the beam. So as you can see, save na siya. Then ito pala, yung sa baba natin, nilagay ko na lang yan para checking lang. So kapag gumagamit kayo ng software, ETABS or ISTAAD, for example sa maximum deflection, ito yung nakuha natin, then yung sa software is 17.5. So yung percentage nila compare sa manual calculation natin is 3.3%. So kapag i-set mo as 3% yung allowable natin, yung marginal error, so hindi magtutugma or hindi okay yung result ng software. Pero kapag sabihin natin mga 17.8, so 1.66% lang yung error ng software, so okay siya. So kapag hindi, so kailangan natin i-recheck yung mga input data natin sa software. Okay? Okay, so punta naman tayo dito sa banda sa mga diagram. As you can see, may shear diagram tayo, moment diagram din, as well as the deflection diagram. Okay. So as yung manual calculation, kapag i-check na nyo yan, is baliktad. Dapat pa ganyan yan. Kasi di ba yung reaction dito, tas positive. So dito yan dapat. Pero yung binaliktad natin dyan is based the actual behavior of the beam. So for example, sa simple supported, yung magiging reaction ng beam, pa ganyan talaga. Due to the load. As well as the deflection. Ganyan na, pababa yan. Kapag hindi natin i-reverse yung sign, paparabolic yan. Pag ganyan yan. So, pero nandito naman yun, yung mga value natin corresponding to its distance. So, finish na natin na 5 na points lang. So, whatever the length, so always 5 lang yung points natin. So, divide by 5 lang yan, as you can see. Okay, then this is the cumulative distance of the beam from the left to the right. Then the corresponding value of shear, moment, and the deflection. Okay? So as you can see, sa formula, nilagyan ko yan ng negative para ma-reverse yung behavior ng graph. Okay. Then, so yun lang. By the way, ito nilagay ko lang yan. This is the, as per code, the minimum width or the minimum depth of the beam. So kapag i-less ninyo yan sa 334, so hindi na siya papasa sa code. So nilagay ko lang yan para may reference. Okay, so once na makuha na natin o maging safe na yung structure natin, ito, so okay na siya. So ito yung kailangan natin, yung the maximum moment, then as well as the maximum shear para sa pag-design natin. So once na mag-design na kayo, so just click here. So pero diniscuss ko na yan sa previous na topic. Okay? So kapag singly, so papasok yan dito, input na lang, input, then ito na yung magiging result natin. Okay? So yun lang yung para sa simple beam natin. So for the next videos naman, for the next tutorial is para sa fix. So iba yung formula natin . Ang importante kasi dito yung formula, guys. Check ninyo. So once again, ipapakita yung formula. Post na lang ninyo. Okay. Then ito naka-VLOOK ito yung total weight natin is naka-VLOOKUP yan. Okay, so yun lang. So try natin muna. Okay, as you can see, nag-change yung natin, yung graph. So minodel ko lang talaga na mag-change natin. So sabi natin 15. Okay. Then depending sa load combo, So nag-change yan lahat yung graph natin. Okay? Tapos makikita natin yung mga coordinates based sa, for example dito sa moment, so corresponding sa distance natin sa beam, ito yung mga moment natin. Then as well as the deflection. Okay? Okay, so yun lang guys. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing to our channel. And of course, again, for this new, please subscribe, like, and share to our YouTube channel. And of course, don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified once there's a new upload video. Thank you guys, keep safe, and God bless.